Wagwan guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing a simple and easy vegetable. So today I have some bok choy here that we already wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dice it up. Yes guys, so this is just a simple vegetable dish. So if you don't feel for any meat, go ahead, grab some veg, cut it up, steam it, and you're good to go. So this is one of my all-time favorite, bok choy. I normally mix it with some cabbage, but today I'm just going without. So I hope you guys enjoy this simple tutorial on how I steam my vegetable. Yes guys, so thank you for all your love and your support. To all my old subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. For all my new subscribers that are clicking on Pal's Island Kitchen for the first time, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. Welcome to my family. We do appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for the love and the support, and we show it right back to you with pure love and blessings. Look at that guys, yes. This is a Sunday morning breakfast, just some steamed veg, that's good for you, very healthy. So we're having this with some vegetable, some bok choy, some carrot. We have, look at all those colors, guys. So I'm dicing up my vegetables, so I'm using some bell pepper. So you can go ahead and add whatever you want to add to this vegetable. I'm just doing it simple and easy. So now I'm cutting up my green bell pepper. So I'm not cutting them as small as I used to. I'm just doing everything very chunky. So when you steam the veg, it don't disappear, just crush out in the pot. So I'm just using a small onion today, nothing too big. So I'm using all of it. So I'm doing some big dicing today, guys. Yay! So that's the yellow bell pepper. So I have some thyme there. I'm just gonna add that there. And I have my greens onion, so aka scallion. So I'm just gonna dice that up a little and add it there. So we have half of tomato. So I'm not gonna use all of it at once. Wow, this looks so nice. So I'm removing the seeds, guys. This is optional. You can feel free to do it the way you like, but this is how I do when I'm steaming veg. I always remove the seed. So now I'm cutting up my carrot. So I'm just cutting them in strips, guys. Normally I would cut them the regular way, but because I'm doing the steam veg, I like it when it's in strips. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be adding my carrot to my vegetable. So I'm leaving my tomato out for a little. Yes. So now I'm going to turn on my stove. And I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of butter to my pot. Then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add my vegetable. Wow, look at all those colors. Wow. So guys, the butter is optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. So I'm just going to strip off my thyme here instead of having the, yeah. So yes guys, I'm just going to stir this up. Wow, steamed veg with some dumpling or some white rice, something, or bread. You can go ahead and eat it with whatever you like, guys. So guys, you don't have to add any water, because I didn't add any water to mine because this springs water also. So I just leave it to simmer down. I may eventually add a little bit of water, after. But for now, it's steaming with its own water. Look at that. So here I'm adding a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Check the box down below, guys. There's a 15% discount by using the code PALS15 and click on my Cool Runnings link. Go over there and enjoy yourself. Get yourself some seasoning and spices for the Thanksgiving season and for the Christmas season. And this dish also can be used as a side dish on your table for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So guys, you can feel free to use whatever spices you have in your cupboard. Just go ahead, guys, and do it. So here we're adding a little bit of black pepper, not too much. And our Maggi cube. So we're gonna make sure we stir everything in, incorporate all the spices that we just put in our steamed veg. Guys, look at that. This is almost ready. I am ready to eat. So I'm gonna cover this, guys. Voila! Look at that. We are ready. So this is a simple and easy steamed veg. Hope you guys enjoy this video, this little tutorial that I put together for you guys. Bon appetit. So now I am going to share this out. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and for all my new subscribers, welcome to Pal's Island Kitchen. For all my whole subscribers, thank you for always returning and watching my videos. Live good, love God, and I'll see you next time in Pal's Island Kitchen.